Okay, we have a dishwasher that's very simple to use. First thing we're going to do is change this to clean so all the guests know that the dishwasher's been run. So under the sink, you will find the pods, complimentary. So we're going to get one of those, and we've got a full load here. So we're going to put the pod in the little pocket there and then slide this down. So then you'll see there's an on button and then a start button. And it takes about 2.5 hours, so you might want to wait till everyone gets done with their showers and you'll have clean dishes.